Top 5 reasons why people uninstall mobile apps. As per research, there are 218 billion app downloads worldwide. This is the best market to invest in, but before starting you need to understand what people like and what they avoid, which may cause the uninstall of a mobile application from a user's mobile phone device. Reasons why people uninstall mobile apps. First issue is forced social logins. Second issue is privacy concerns. Third issue is bad UI UX. For RTH issue is annoying notifications. Fifth issue is intrusive ads. So what do people like in a mobile app? Well-designed UI UX, fast loading time, strong data protection, excellent user support, and built-in integration attract a user to keep your app installed on their mobile phone. So always focus on given above points. Want mobile app development? Connect with our experts today.